Yes, people, welcome to the Loaded Cannon fan cam. AlbertJTV here. Arsenal 1, Man City 3. Massive dent in our title hopes for this season. I'm going to keep this short because I'm well gutted and disappointed, but when I sit back and reflection of the game, big call, Tommy Ashley coming in for Ben White. And listen, the first half, first 20 minutes really was quite cagey. City are very different from the teams that we played in recent games where we've had to deal with, two bags of four and trying to break teams down. But City are going to play very open football, and they did. And like I said, it's quite a cagey first 20 minutes, to be honest with you. But we hung in there, and I thought it was pretty decent in the first half. The only issue we had was when you're playing in these big games, you don't get many big chances. And we had a chance of Eddie's header in the first half. For me, he's got to do a lot better. And then we conceded the goal to go 1-0 down. Super sloppy. There's a reason why Arsenal have only kept 2 clean sheets at home this season. Yes, we've won a lot of games of football at the Emirates, but defensively, we've been very naive this season, and we got put to pay tonight. Awful first goal to concede. Poor mistake from Tommy Yasu. Blind pass back to Ramsdale. Go 1-0 down to De Bruyne. But you know what? To be fair to Arsenal, I thought he was good in the first half. I thought he was really, really good. Apart from mistakes happening, self-inflicted again. And we get back in the game. From where I was sitting, I couldn't see why the penalty was given, but I'm going to take it. I'm not going to complain. Saka steps up, get back to 1-1. So crucial to get that goal before half-time. Going 1-1. Very important team talk for the boys to have. Come out second half, not great. City are a very good side still. They've had their troubles on off the pitch, but we just never gained any momentum or phase of playing that second half. We had to hang in and dig in, like periods of 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. No control of the ball, but we did create chances in that match. Eddie could have scored a hat-trick tonight. Maybe not clinical enough. To me, he should have done better with the chances that he had. Won 2 headers most definitely. But Arsenal, absolutely naive defending has cost us that game tonight. Could we have brought on subs a bit sooner? Possibly. Martinelli, again, wasn't great tonight. We'd like to see Trossard coming a bit more earlier. But yeah, tonight was just it was a catalogue of naive defending. And the warning signs were there. We thought we gave away a penalty. VAR saved us, ironically. But to be honest with you, our defending was absolutely poor tonight. You cannot do that in Premier League football. And you absolutely cannot do that against a team like Manchester City. And we paid tonight. Ramsdale, for me, could have saved the Grealish goal. Haaland obviously gets the 3rd goal. Hope I got the right way around, but man, I'm deflated, gutted. You know what? The only positive I'll take from tonight is first half was really, really good, and there's still a long way to go. Still a long way to go in the season, but tonight was a massive, massive dent in our title hopes, and we're going to have to pick ourselves up off the floor. It wasn't just about tonight; it's about the recent games where we haven't played well. We've got a tough game against Villa on Saturday away. And we've got to pick it up very, very quickly. The boys are going to be deflated tonight, but you know what? We go again. That's AlbertJTV over and out for Loaded Cannon fan cam. See you soon, people.